Kape, kape. Morning exercise. Hi guys, thank you guys. Good morning, Sheryl. How are you doing? I just wake up. Going live. Morning exercise. Hi, disgusting. Kumusta? Thank you for the thumbs up. Simplay mang Gab kape. Gabriel. Gab. Simplay mang kape.
Apa, boss.
Hala. Oh.
Ako, ay, walang mo pala.
Saan ako kape tapos?
Ako na naman ulit.
Baka na ako sa demand.
Ano? 25. Ano yan?
Dali na. Like, kaibigan. Salamat, kaibigan. Hello, my love. Ah, Jerry. Exercise. For the hips. Adi, may kape ako doon. Oh my God.
Para madagdagan ng bisita mo po. Kaya, mama ko na lang yan.
Sige na, sige na.
Sa'yo mo yan, Lit. Binakag mo.
Edi, may latag mo dito. Ay, edi ka, kay mahimpay niyan. Edi, may katong.
Ako na yan.
Maihali niya ni doon. Hindi mo na kumakali doon.
Hi, Sibel. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sakit na. Sakit? Okay.
Wala na, malaw na yun. Sige mo, kanina ka bakalong pa yun.
Hi, Stephen. Ruban, thank you. Thank you, sir. Nice body. Vice Gal Dadang Leo. Where's Dadang? Oh my God. Good morning, my friend. Derek Jones. Gab. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Greg. I saw your Michael Jackson short video. Thank you, Greg. Hope you like it. Hi, friend. Hi, Huggy Bear. Huggy Bear. Huggy Bear. Huggy Bear. What are you doing? Morning exercise. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Greg.
Mainit yun! Huwag ka na initan! Immortal ka da!
Yatag niya di ka na naman.
Oh my
Yatag niya di ka na. Rap, rap, marabutan mo na.
Oh my God!
Double tap your screen, everybody. Thank you, Greg. Coffee. Kape. Nice fit.
Mga twila!
That's coffee, guys.
Ala, mga twila! Uy, uy!
Your favorite tasa. Tasa, yes. My favorite tasa.
Ano favorite mo ma?
Tasa. Pag bibili ulit ako tasa.
Ay,
Cellphone mo, Gab. Hi, cellphone mo, Gab. Parang ko na anak.
gaging!
Dere, anak. Exercise dito. Magkaklase na kami.
Wala ka yung sa palakay? Baka lang ako.
Ay, yung medyo sabi na ako sa may ano. Binatang ko din na medyas, so, kain na. Inabot ang panahon. Galing mo lang sa'yo. Galing sa papa ko. Hindi, buong. Hindi, ang papa ko. Pag-unsa mo yun. Kaya ano, midyat. Dinig na yun ang midyat niyan to. Ikaw ako nga ni naka-ano yan to. Hindi na bang ko yan to. Hindi ko ito binutang ho. Nalabang lang ako sa pag-asikaso kay Anto. Ito, Rosa. Pinuwa, ma'am? Pinuwa, ma'am? Sabi man. Hindi mo rin mag-video ka.
Hi, Greg. Hello, Jerry.
Ikaw pag nagsusulat ng sulat, nandito tayo. Basta din mo mo ang kaya dinuli din lang yung kuha mo ha. Ito ay pag-abot mo din maya, din yung napasok sa bibilo ka.
Sakit.
Diba yung mga puti?
Sakit sa katawan. I'm good, Ben Rustin. I'm okay, Greg. How are you doing? That's it. No. Not done sitting. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Kape. Spending too much time on YouTube and then sleep. Why? Yeah. You too much spending, Greg. You too much help your friend here. What time it is over there? Here, time here, 7:21 in the morning. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. And thank you for watching. I'm back. Thank you, Huggy Bear. Where are you from, Huggy Bear? I used to do that too, guys. So many beautiful Filipinas. Yes. So many beautiful Filipinas. No. So you have a lot of Filipinas, Sherry? Huggy Bear, it's early. Yeah, it's early. Early morning. I'm doing work later. I'm going to work later. morning. Just the top of the list. I'm in New York City. Wow, thank you so much, Hagaber. New York, USA. New York, USA. Wow, Jerry. Thank you, Jerry. You're joking, Jerry. Sure is always top of the list. Thank you, Greg. Oh my god. You're joking, guys. I just saw you on stop. Yes. Cheryl, team is tied up. Make me a moderator now. To see you. Thank you, Huggy for Greg. Where does Annalyn fall at? Annalyn? Who's Annalyn? Jerry's girlfriend? I'm not joking here. I know you're playing, Cherry. Like, comment, and subscribe everyone. Thank you guys. I to go bananas. Good morning. Good morning. I to go bananas. Hi Tim. Good morning here. Annalyn lives near Manila. Ah, okay. Annalyn lives in Manila. Jerry, why you don't do any more live? Annalyn lives in Manila. She's damn it, Tim. I was about to be a mod. Hello everyone, hello guys. Yes, I just see you in her good. Oh, Annalyn is a blogger too, Filipino blogger also. Team, I only did live because I was asked to. Ah, okay. You have a channel. Yes, yes, have a channel. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Mama, kumain dito sa kita ulo.
Opo.
Harap na.
Kasalo na no. And batasan ka magod ni Tita Oli. Joy. Team, I got her 30k subscriber in 3 weeks. Wow! Oh my god! Who? Annalyn? The Annalyn? Thank you, Greg, for subscribing. And thank you for supporting Filipino blogger, Filipinos blogger. And me, thank you so much for always here. And also, Jerry, thank you for, oh my god, what happened? Why Zoom? Why Zoom? Nah, I do nothing. Thank you, guys. Hope I reach the goal. The watchtower, please. Annalyn is my ex-girlfriend, Cheryl. Oh my god, really? and Jerry's and Jerry Card. Where is Annalyn from? Pampanga, Tarlac. Hi, Insan. Hi, Insan. Oh my god. You still seem to like her still, Greg. We're from Annalyn. Dance so beautiful, delightful. Thank you, Elsie Ball. Thank you so much. I got my data close, almost 40k subscribers in that 2 weeks. Ask Jerry. Really, Jerry? Thank you so much, Jerry. Oh my God. I remember when you helped me before. You bring people a lot. Hello, insan. Morning. Ano, almost wala pa. Kape pa lang. Oh my God, everyone is blue but me. I feel naked here. I feel Jerry. Lens. Natawa ako dyan kay, oo nga. Nakakaano nga eh. Ang lakas mga sar kasi. Open your eyes, Jerry. Lakas niya mga sar, tangasar. Annalyn is from, okay. Annalyn is from Manila. Where in Manila? Caloocan, Las Peñas, Quezon City, Taguig, Metro Manila, Alabang, Muntinlupa, where? San Juan, Makati, Pasig. Jerry.
Kung baka bakal kapay na Adidas.
Yung pabakal ako sa dati, di ko man tinunguhan. Pinabakal ako sa dati, di ko man tinunguhan.
Ay,
Manok yun.
kasi na ako na nakaalam kanina.
Oh.
Hindi man ko nung gagamitas yun.
Di sige. Oh.
O yan. Kahapon tayo bakal ako. Yakan wala.
I put on extra shirt.
Kaya ako. Bakal.
Oh. Wait lang.
Ang kwenta ko pa rin, na bayad sa kung ano din na. Minakal ko kloro. Sabon man lang ako, hanggang bang sabon lang ako. Yung pinagod ko hindi. Nasaan oyster. Pagpitan oyster. Wala man ang iba.
Wala man ako bariya. Ay, saan natin sa inyo? Kulang mo na. Saan mama? Uma, sabi mo kay mama, bakalan man ako ma.
Kala na bakalot.
Uma, sabi mo bakalan man ako.
Nanang bakalon nga.
Miss Malo.
Oh, sige.
Ano ko lang?
That's maybe where
Hindi ako maaral.
they so high.
Bakit? Magpasama ako kay mama na lang.
Apod ko na lang.
O sige, ipon mo.
Kanang pira nga, bakalan pera
Ikaw,
lang.
bahala ka.
Dua.
Bagano kahilamos ka?
Uy, pagsalamos ka ng
Ano ba nga basta?
I put on my extra shirt. I don't forget which city. Okay. I don't forget. Really Tim. Extra shirt, the green. Yeah, keep going. Try making money on it. I'm not into getting monetized. Yes, we need to monetize her in YouTube to get money. Hi, Greg and Jerry, my friend here. I'm asking for help.
Masirap-rap man.
Oh, pasalubungan mo.
Tulo.
I'm asking for help. Soon, this August, I will Mother Queen here. I'm not one of the candidate of Mother Queen here. To be win, I need to money contest. If the winner is less for the money earn less for percent, like 3%. The 3% to earn the money is going to community here in our barangay, and the rest for the candidate. It would be easier if you just sent me money to oh my god. Okay, it will, it will pay for you travel at free. Yeah, why don't start to do alone? Need to monetize here to earn money.
Barbera krokodil. Hila-hila. Tambay. Ako, go kami. Kapit kami. Bom, bom.
Oh my god. Why my phone? Jam, jam, jam. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you. I got almost 600 subscribers now. Wow! Congrats, Greg. Good night. Hi, Mustafa Kamal. Demord again. Good night. Good night. See you there. Where are you from? Hello, Cheryl. Hi. How you doing? Where are you from? Good job, Greg. Good job, Greg. From Turkey. Okay. Nice to meet you, Mustafa Kemal from Turkey. Sigrid, if you stay in Cheryl room long enough, you would know what me and Joey is talking about. He has his own channel now. Yes. If you do live, Jerry, I will join your live to support you back. Turkey and the night, yes. Turkey and the night. Different time here in the Philippines. That's pretty good for this mother thing, yes. I only go live with Cheryl once to see me. My goodness. Just kidding too. Oh my goodness. Hi, Madam. Hi, John Robert Ariosa. Hello. Has not even seen your first video. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. I noticed. Jerry, are you living in the bus home? It's a car home. You live there and you go to bed or just a car. Really, you should keep it or just your car. Hey people, Cheryl, welcome everyone to Cheryl's live chat. Remember to always comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Jerry. Salamat. Thank you, Jerry. Goodbye, Sean, friends. Bye-bye. Bye, Miss Papa. Come on. God bless you. Thank you for joining my live here on YouTube. Thank you so much. How's Cheryl? Now is Cheryl. How's Cheryl? See you later, Miss Papa. Thank you, Miss Papa. Thank you so much. Eric Olom. Hi, Eric Olom. Why? What? Stick it down, Jerry. So the wind won't blow it away. Oh my goodness. When? Ah, okay, the when. The when. Is it a double wide or single wide? A double wide or single wide? Ah.
Araw ka ba ng gasto? Kinain mo ko ba ng makina mo? Binaramihan doon ang makina sa mulan. Tapos yung mga tumagin ko sa ginagawa niya. Yung mga tumagin ko sa ginagawa.
Okay, say hi. Say hi.
Hi!
Hello. Hello. Sige na, come on. Say hi. Oh my God. Hi. Hello. Say hello. Oh. Say hello. Hello. Say hi. Nagulo ko. Nagulo ko. Say hi. 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 My sister's son. Bye-bye. So, have you watched Thriller Park Boys from Canada? No? No, I didn't watch. It's your... It's a movie? It's a movie? Hi, Jose. John Robert Aeroso. Hello. John Robert. Where do we go? It's a TV series movie. Ah, in cartoon. Ah, okay. I don't know. I didn't watch it. Troll Park Boys. It's funny. Ah, okay. It's funny. I like drama. I like drama. I like thriller, adventure like that. Drama series, adventure, magical. Action like that. It's drama too. Ah, okay. It's drama too.
Ay, kailangan mo lang yun. Ay, pagkuha, maganda pa kayo sa sabi ko sa ulan, mga yan. Dapat, ano,
Where is Jerry? You're doing live, Jerry? Are you doing live? What time? 7. I've been watching Philippine movies. Thank you. What movies? So much. So loud noise here. The loud here. The noise is too loud. Oh my god. Philippine love movie, yes. Love movie. Like Korean. I like Goblin. The Korean drama series. The Goblin. I love it. That was love. I saw a movie friend and Cebu. You have a lot of Filipino, Jerry. Oh my god, okay. Oh no, my goodness. Oh my god, who text? My co-work. My co-work, Eleanor. My co-work, Eleanor. My college is Eleanor. He tried the picture for our documentation. And I am editing for our documentation or part of the job. How is your nice doing? I do live now because later I'm going to work. I'm late. But I need to do live because for the watch hour. We're getting monetized here. Please guys help me. My goodness. I want to see the ano. Hi. Na. The green screen. I'm not saved. Not saved. Not yet saved. That the chat. Hmm. Mm. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. Aray. Oh. Bawal maghuba. Bawal. Bawal maghuba. Isot mo ang ano mo. Bawal maghuba. How is your nice doing? Nagano siya, ma-aircon na siya, so naghuruba.
Aba, yan po na.
How's your nice doing? Nephew, I will visit your channel later. I got notification. Okay. Hello, Dodong. Dodong. Okay. See you later, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up. I need to end the live now because I'm going to work. I am late. Yeah. Wait. Oh my God. No, no. Ingat ka maganda, Cheryl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Wait lang. So many chats now. Oh, where? Oh, need to go na. Here. Ouch. It's na. My goodness. Katuna. Bye-bye.